In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. If you've accidentally deleted a message and want to bring it back, the good news is that Microsoft Teams makes this very simple, as long as the message is still showing the option to restore it. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can recover the message quickly and avoid confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where your direct conversations and group chats are stored. If you're using Teams in a browser or in the desktop app, the layout is usually very similar, so the process should be easy to follow either way. Once you're in chat, open the conversation where the message was deleted. Next, locate the deleted message. In many cases, when a message has been deleted, Teams doesn't remove all evidence of it instantly from your view. Instead, it may leave behind a small placeholder that shows a message was deleted. This is the key thing you're looking for. Take a moment to scroll through the conversation carefully until you find the deleted message area. If the chat is long, moving slowly helps so you don't skip past it. Once you've found the deleted message, click on Undo. This option appears near the deleted message and allows you to reverse the deletion. As soon as you click it, the original message should be restored back into the chat. This is the fastest and easiest way to recover a message you deleted by mistake. One important thing to keep in mind is that this option may only be available for a limited time or under certain conditions. If you no longer see the undo option, the message may not be recoverable directly from the chat window. So if you notice the deletion right away, it's best to act quickly. Also, remember that this method applies to messages you can still see marked as deleted in the conversation if the deleted message is no longer visible at all. Teams may not offer a built-in way to restore it from the regular chat interface. And that's it. To recover a deleted message in Microsoft Teams, go to chat, find the deleted message in the conversation, and click undo to restore it. It's a very short process, but knowing exactly where to look can save you time and prevent frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.